Student, today in class 5 EBS I will start chapter 13, our rich heritage. So student, before starting this chapter, let's understand what is heritage. Heritage is the full range of inherited tradition, monuments, object and culture. Clear? Heritage is our legacy from the past, what we live with today and what we pass on to future generations. Our cultural and natural heritage are both irreplaceable sources of life and inspirations. Clear, student? Now, what is the importance? What is World Heritage Site? A World Heritage Site is any monument or place of a special importance listed by the UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Before understanding what is UNESCO, student, let's understand what is the importance of World Heritage Site. Student, World Heritage Site World Heritage Site is the site which belongs to all the peoples of the world, irrespective of the territory on which they are located. Clear, student? Now, what is UNESCO? Student, UNESCO is an organization of 100. In this organization, there are 193 members and 11 associate members. Clear, student? What is the mission of UNESCO? UNESCO helps countries to adopt international standards and manages programs that foster the free flow of ideas and knowledge sharing. It also lists out the World Heritage Site also. Clear, student? Now, student, next. Student, you have listed in your vacations, you have listed many historical places of fame. You have seen many famous monuments. You have seen in movies also, like Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is the seventh wonder of the world. Clear, student? This is a famous monument. So now next, which of these is a World Heritage Site? Find out more information about that monument and write here. So student, I will discuss all three. First, Ajanta Cave. Clear, student? Ajanta Caves. Ajanta Caves are carved during two distinct periods. The first from 200 BC to 100 AD and the second from around the 5th century. Clear? Ajanta Cave is the finest example of some of the earliest Buddhist architecture, cave paintings and sculptures. These caves were used by Buddhist monks for meditation and the study of Buddhist teaching. This is inside picture of Ajanta Cave, student, which you are seeing on your screen. In 1682, a Muslim chief hired 1,000 workers for 3 years, only to destroy this temple completely. Even after continuous efforts, workers couldn't destroy the temple. They could only damage and distort some carvings. At last, Aurangzeb gave up and left the temple as it is. Now, student, where it is located? It is located in Aurangabad district of Maharashtra. Ajanta, Aurangabad district of Maharashtra, state of India. Ajanta Cave is a World Heritage Site. Student, you can see it on your screen. Here, map of India, it is mentioned. Where is Ajanta Cave? Ajanta Cave is located in the Aurangabad district of Maharashtra, state of India. Ajanta Cave is a World Heritage Site. Next picture you are seeing on your screen, that is the picture of Jal Mahal. Clear, student? Of water palace. Jal Mahal is a palace in the middle of the Man Sagar Lake in Jaipur city, the capital state of Rajasthan. India. It is popularly believed that Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh constructed Jal Mahal in 1799 to serve a hunting lodge during his duck shooting trips. The palace and lake around it were renovated and enlarged in 18th century. Now this is satellite picture, student. Jal Mahal is 4 km to the north of Jaipur and is located on the main Amer Jaipur road. One more important fact, student. Pink City Jaipur became the second Indian city to be included on the UNESCO World Heritage Site list on July 6, 2019 due to some of the most iconic attractions in the city like Hawa Mahal, Nahargarh Fort, Amer Fort, Jal Mahal, etc. Clear, student? Next picture you are seeing on your screen. It is Agrasen ki Baoli. Baoli means well. Student, it is designated a protected monument by the Archaeological Survey of India. It is not a World Heritage Site. It was built by legendary King Agrasen. It is 60 meter long and 15 meter wide. Historical step well. It is a step well. It has 3 stories and 108 steps. So student, these steps are 108 steps. It is located on Delhi Road. This is a map of India. So this map you can easily understand. It is located on Delhi Road near Connaught Place, Jantar Mantar in New Delhi, India. So student, today I have discussed 3 monuments: Ajanta Cave, Jal Mahal, Agrasen ki Baoli. In this, Ajanta Cave is a World Heritage Site and Jal Mahal is in Jaipur. So student, Jaipur is a pink city and it is a second city as a World Heritage Site. Clear? Agrasen ki Baoli has an archaeological importance, so it is protected by the Archaeological Survey of India. It is not a World Heritage Site. So this part is completed. Thank you.